Hello, in Techbo's new video, we've got the new outlier air from Creative, which has got SXFI, which is really cool. And if you've not checked out that before, it's really cool and you get it through an app. So on the feature side, we've got ambient mode, ambient noise reduction, active noise reduction, total playtime 40 hours, 10 hours per charge, Bluetooth 5.2, 8 AC, quad mics, wireless charging, bio-cellulose drivers, touch controls, IPX5, step-proof, and you've got Google Assistant and all that there. So that's the package there. And you get the SXFI app, you've App Store, Google Play, and you can read there about the SXFI, which is fantastic stuff from previous testing myself. So you open up the package and this is what you get. So you'll see a sign there, charge me first time pairing, step 1, 2, 3, as you will do normally with new earbuds. So let's open them up and have a look. So inside we get USB-C to USB-A, your extra tips, and of course you get your booklets and all that kind of stuff that I don't think anybody reads anymore, but you know what they say, RTFM if you can't get things paired up, which I find a lot of people do ask on YouTube how to pair them, and there's a manual provided. But anyway, you've got Charge Me First in there on a sticker, and you've got the earbuds themselves. So let's pop these out and see what they look like. So that's what they look like there. Really nice. You can see the mics on them there, and you've got some arrows or the Creative brand. So here is the case, which is pretty neat. So you've got the SXFI ready sign on the side, left and right USB-C, and you open up like so, and that's what you get there. Really neat case, I like this. So let's just pop them in and see. So you can see that both left and right is charging, and we'll just open them up again. They do have this colour on them, so let's pop them out. So you can see them change the colour there, which is pretty neat. But that's what they look like up close anyway, front and back, and that's it. So stay tuned for a full review soon on techbuzzireland.com, and we will see you in the next video with a full review. And if you have any questions, of course, you know what to do. Just shout them out below. We'll gladly answer. But that's it on what you're going to get on the new Creative Outlier RV3. Wireless charging, sweat-proof. You've got everything there. So now it's time to test them out and see what features and functions are actually on the earbuds and the controls and all that kind of stuff. And then we'll have a full report. And of course, don't forget to drop any questions below, and we'll answer them all as we always do. See you soon in the next video, and thanks for watching.